We learned in the previous video on what are recognized dates, and one benefit is being able to format the dates to your preference. To watch the video, you can click on the top right corner over here or by clicking Show More in the description box down here. So how do we ensure the dates we type are recognized in Excel? We will also share why using a year function does not work on some of these dates. If Bear types 2/9/2014, is this 2nd September 2014 or February 9, 2014? The answer depends on who are you asking. To Bear, he likes typing in the format of month, day, year. Hence, this is February 9, 2014 to him. 12/28/2014 is December 28, 2014 to him. Some dates are aligned to the left, while the other cells are aligned to the right. We also share in the previous video a right alignment by default means that the date is recognized in Excel. So why are some dates not recognized? Excel is unable to cater to everyone's preference of typing the date format. It recognizes the dates you type based on this date format you see at the bottom here. Since this is shown as day, month, year, Excel needs you to type it in this way too. This cell is aligned to the right, but is it even correct? Bear meant it as February 9, 2014 since he types it as month, day, year. But Excel interprets this as 2nd September 2014. How do we know Excel's interpretation? Select the date. Go to Home tab on top of the ribbon. Click on the drop down right over here and select Long Date to show you the month spelled in full. It shows you September instead of February. Excel interprets this month as 28 and hence not a valid date. If your computer settings is in month, day, year, keying like Bear would have dates correctly aligned to the right. But if you key it as day, month, year, Excel will interpret them differently again. So don't key it as day/month/year, month/day/year, or even year/month/day. One reason is because your home and work settings could be different and thus too troublesome to keep checking the date settings below. The second reason is that this date format is ambiguous. If I didn't tell you, how do you know if it's 2nd September or February 9? Hence, the best way is to type in the number of the day, spell out 3 letters of the month, and number of the year. Whichever the date settings of your computer, it will recognize this format. It is also much clearer what date are you trying to show. And once dates are recognized, the year function or any other date functions would also work. In conclusion, type in this particular format for it to be recognized in Excel first. And only when these dates are recognized, you can use functions or even change the presentation of your own preference easily, like the last video. In this video, we are typing the dates ourselves and can ensure they are recognized. But what if we download a file which have dates unrecognized in Excel? Check out our next video to find out how to convert these unrecognized dates. If you now know how to type dates, hit the subscribe button.